To buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp, you will first need to create an account on the platform. Go to the Bitstamp website and click on the Register button. Then enter your email address and choose a password. You will also need to provide some basic information such as your name and date of birth. Once you have filled out the registration form, click on the Register button to create your account. After creating your account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure that is required by law to prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. To verify your identity, you will need to upload a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address, such as a utility bill. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Bitstamp account. Bitstamp accepts a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and other cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds, click on the Deposit button and select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. With funds in your account, you can now buy Bitcoin. To do this, click on the Buy button and select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, or the amount of money you want to spend. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Then click on the Buy button to complete the transaction. It is also important to consider the fees associated with buying Bitcoin on Bitstamp. The fees vary depending on the payment method and the amount of Bitcoin you are buying. Make sure you understand the fees before you make a purchase. In addition to buying Bitcoin, Bitstamp also offers other features such as a wallet to store your Bitcoin and a trading platform to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies. The platform also has a mobile app, allowing you to buy and sell Bitcoin on the go. To keep your account and Bitcoin safe, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password. It is also a good idea to withdraw your Bitcoin to a personal wallet, rather than leaving it on the exchange. By following these steps, you can buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp safely and securely. Remember to always do your own research, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.